Imagine stepping onto a world covered in endless plains of sulfur, with constant volcanic eruptions shooting miles into space. The ground beneath your feet is boiling, literally hotter than anything you ever felt, yet there's no air to even scream. Now ask yourself, what happens if you stand on Io, one of Jupiter's most intense moons, for just 5 seconds? Let's take this journey together, though it's one you might not survive. So first things first, where exactly are we? Io isn't your ordinary moon. It's the most volcanically active place in the entire solar system. Imagine the most explosive volcano on Earth. Then turn up the heat until it reaches 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's Io for you. It's like Io took the concept of hot lava and said, "Hold my magma." The reason Io is so intense, it's locked in a gravitational tug-of-war with Jupiter and its neighboring moons, constantly being stretched and pulled. This intense gravitational pressure causes Io's interior to churn and boil, creating massive volcanoes and rivers of molten sulfur. It's a science fiction landscape in real life. But just standing here exposed for 5 seconds, well, you might be wondering, can you actually survive it? Alright, here's where things get real. Imagine stepping out on Io. First off, the temperature changes alone are intense, close to -300 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface where it's not boiling. And let's not forget the radiation. You're in Jupiter's backyard, which means you're getting blasted by radiation levels that would kill you faster than you can say lead suit. 5 seconds. Here would deliver a dose of radiation far beyond lethal levels. Wondering what that actually feels like? Imagine a microwave, but you're the popcorn. Oh, and one more thing. There's virtually no atmosphere, so even if you could hold your breath, there's nothing to breathe. The pressure's too low to sustain any kind of human life. In these 5 seconds, your body would feel the effects of decompression, with any moisture in your skin and eyes trying to boil away. So what happens at the end of those 5 seconds if you somehow made it to the surface in a protective suit? Radiation would already be taking its toll, and the heat would be searing your surroundings. But here's the catch. Io's intense environment wasn't made for us. Standing here even for 5 seconds isn't just dangerous, it's a cosmic reminder of how tiny and fragile we are. And yet there's something mesmerizing about Io, like it's calling us to push the limits of exploration. Maybe one day, we'll actually set foot here safely. Or maybe it's best left to the robots. Thanks for joining this journey. Subscribe and let's keep exploring the universe together.